This YouTube channel is utilizing AI to generate videos for their YouTube channel, and they are gaining millions of views. The best part about this method is that it can be accomplished with just a few clicks. If you visit Social Blade, you can see that this YouTube channel is currently experiencing significant growth. It indicates that they are acquiring 27,000 subscribers every month and receiving around 55 million views monthly. However, the claim that they are making anywhere from $13,700 to $220,000 every month is not accurate. In reality, they are likely earning between $3,000 and $5,000 from AdSense alone because these videos are YouTube Shorts, which do not generate as much revenue as regular YouTube videos. If you go on YouTube right now and search for podcast, click on the filters option and then select view account, you will find the most popular podcast videos or shorts currently on YouTube. You'll notice that many of these channels are not actually official channels. These are essentially channels like yours and mine, creating YouTube Shorts using others' podcast content. The best part about this method is that it utilizes AI, making it incredibly easy to create these videos. And it actually works. You can find numerous videos that are not created by the original creator, yet they are receiving millions of views every single day. I want to demonstrate how you can create this type of content because it's remarkably simple, thanks to AI. Moreover, it can significantly boost the growth of your YouTube channel. These channels are rapidly reaching hundreds of thousands of subscribers, and once you have built your audience, the possibilities are endless. So, let's delve right into this method, and I'll show you how it's done. In today's video, we will use an amazing YouTube Shorts creator AI called 2Shorts AI. To start creating your shorts, just click on Sign In and create an account with your Google account. Now, go to YouTube and select one of the long podcast videos. I am selecting this one.
Before you watch this exclusive interview with Andrew Tate, there are a few things you...
Copy the video link and go back to 2Shorts AI. Paste the video link in 2Shorts AI. Now, artificial intelligence will do its work. It will create numerous short video blocks for us. You can see there are many transcript blocks of the full podcast video. 2Shorts AI has made 220 short video blocks for us. Before moving to the next part, I suggest reviewing your story and selecting a proper one that will be more engaging for our audience. Now, let's move on to the next step. Choose one block and click on the next icon. Then click on Edit and Export. This is the editor page. On the left side, you have the original video, and on the right side is our output sample. Let's play the video.
Hey, our epidemic of loneliness and isolation has been an underappreciated public health crisis that has harmed individuals and social health, our relationship, our source of healing, etc. This is the same guy that said, wait a minute, lockdown, do this, do that. Yeah. So the more and more arguments are coming out against even ESG. I don't know how close you follow ESG, why are we doing this? Did you see how much Target lost? $10 billion?
Okay, now we'll do some editing on our video. Here is the aspect ratio. You can export the video as the original YouTube video or in landscape format as YouTube Shorts or as an Instagram video. Since we are creating YouTube Shorts video today, I will select the portrait format. Next, you can adjust your video length. I am increasing the length a little bit, but I suggest keeping the video shorter. The next option is auto crop. This is a crucial option. You'll notice that the person speaking is focused in our output video. I always recommend setting the value at 50%. Okay, our next option is auto crop sensitivity. I will set it to fast to make our video faster paced. Another important part is subtitles. Subtitles are very important for shorts videos. Turn on the subtitles and change the values as you wish. Personally, I always prefer black text with a white outline. I will change the subtitle size to large and keep the subtitle position as it is, since the bottom is the perfect position for subtitles in this video. Next, I will change the subtitle splitting option to one word. Okay, our editing is completed. Now it's time to export the video. Simply click on the export button. Okay, our first video is ready. Now, for the second one, click on back, select another video block, and click on the next icon. Edit your video as you did for the previous video. After editing, click on the export button. It's that simple. Okay, our videos are now ready. It's time to upload them to our channel. Let's go back to our channel, click on the Create button, and select your file. I have created these videos with 2 Shorts AI. I am selecting the first one. Now edit the title, add some description, and don't forget to add tags. Okay, now you can see that there is no copyright issue with this video. Now publish the video as public. It's that simple, isn't it?
Hey, our epidemic of loneliness and isolation has been an underappreciated public health crisis that has harmed individuals and social health, our relationship, our source of healing, etc. This is the same guy that said, wait a minute, lockdown, do this, do that. So the more and more arguments are coming out against even ESG. I don't know how close you follow ESG, where why are we doing this? Did you see how much Target lost? $10 billion? Did you see how much Bud Light lost? 25%, 12%? This is...
You can publish more than 20 videos a day with minimum effort and earn a passive income from YouTube. I always recommend spending time on editing and selecting your topics. Then you will get better results. I would love to hear about your experience with video creation. Share your thoughts and results in the comments section below. Don't forget to like this video if you found it helpful and subscribe to our channel for more amazing tutorials like this one. Thank you so much for watching, and until next time, happy creating!